بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
ألف لام ميم صاد.
Alif Lam Mim Sad.
كتاب أنزل إليك فلا يكن في صدرك حرج منه لتنذر به وذكرى للمؤمنين.
This is a book revealed to you. Let there be no qualm in your heart about it. It has been revealed to you that you may thereby warn the unbelievers, and that it may serve as a reminder to the believers.
اتبعوا ما أنزل إليكم من ربكم ولا تتبعوا من دونه أولياء قليلا ما تذكرون.
O people, follow what has been revealed to you from your Lord, and follow no masters other than Him. Little are you admonished.
وكم من قرية أهلكناها فجاءها بأسنا بياتا أو هم قائلون.
How many a township have we destroyed? Our scourge fell upon them at night or when they were taking midday rest.
فما كان دعواهم إذ جاءهم بأسنا إلا أن قالوا إنا كنا ظالمين.
And when our scourge fell upon them, their only cry was, "We are indeed transgressors."
فلنسألن الذين أرسل إليهم ولنسألن المرسلين.
So we shall call to account those to whom messengers were sent, and we shall call to account the messengers to see how dutifully they conveyed the message, and how people responded to it.
فلنقصن عليهم بعلم وما كنا غائبين.
Then we shall narrate to them with knowledge the whole account. For surely we were not away from them.
والوزن يومئذ الحق فمن ثقلت موازينه فأولئك هم المفلحون.
The weighing on that day will be the true weighing. Those whose scales are heavy will prosper.
ومن خفت موازينه فأولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم بما كانوا بآياتنا يظلمون.
And those whose scales are light will be the losers, for they are the ones who have been iniquitous to our signs.
ولقد مكناكم في الأرض وجعلنا لكم فيها معايش قليلا ما تشكرون.
We assuredly established you in the earth and arranged for you livelihood in it. Little do you give thanks.
ولقد خلقناكم ثم صورناكم ثم قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس لم يكن من الساجدين.
We initiated your creation, then we gave you each a shape, and then we said to the angels, "Prostrate yourselves before Adam." They all prostrated themselves except Iblis. He was not one of those who fell prostrate.
قال ما منعك ألا تسجد إذ أمرتك قال أنا خير منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين.
Allah said, "What prevented you from prostrating yourself when I commanded you to do so?" He said, "I am better than he. You created me from fire, and him you created from clay."
قال فاهبط منها فما يكون لك أن تتكبر فيها فاخرج إنك من الصاغرين.
Allah said, "Then get you down from here. It does not behove you to be arrogant here. So be gone. You will be among the humiliated."
قال أنذرني إلى يوم يبعثون.
Satan replied, "Give me respite till the day they shall be raised."
قال إنك من المنظرين.
Allah said, "You are granted respite."
قال فبما أغويتني لأقعدن لهم صراطك المستقيم.
Satan said, "Since you have caused me to come to this end, I shall surely set an ambush for them on your straight path.
ثم لآتينهم من بين أيديهم ومن خلفهم وعن أيمانهم وعن شمائلهم ولا تجد أكثرهم شاكرين.
Then I will come upon them from the front and from the rear, and from their right and from their left, and you will not find most of them thankful.
قال اخرج منها مذءوما مدحورا لمن تبعك منهم لأملأن جهنم منكم أجمعين.
Allah said, "Go away from here, disgraced and banished. I shall fill the hell with all those that follow you."
ويا آدم اسكن أنت وزوجك الجنة فكلا من حيث شئتما ولا تقربا هذه الشجرة فتكونا من الظالمين.
O Adam, live you and your spouse in the garden, and both of you eat from it, wherever you will, but never approach this tree, or you shall become wrongdoers.
فوسوس لهما الشيطان ليبدي لهما ما وري عنهما من سوآتهما وقال ما نهاكما ربكما عن هذه الشجرة إلا أن تكونا ملكين أو تكونا من الخالدين.
But Satan made an evil suggestion to both of them, that he might reveal to them their shame that had remained hidden from them. He said, "Your Lord has forbidden you to approach this tree only to prevent you from becoming angels or immortals."
وقاسمهما إني لكما لمن الناصحين.
And he saw to them both, "Surely I am your sincere well-wisher."
فدلاهما بغرور فلما ذاقا الشجرة بدت لهما سوآتهما وطفقا يخصفان عليهما من ورق الجنة وناداهما ربهما ألم أنهكما عن تلكما الشجرة وأقل لكما إن الشيطان لكما عدو مبين.
Thus Satan brought about their fall by deceit, And when they tasted of the tree, their shame became visible to them, and both began to cover themselves with leaves from the garden. Then their Lord called out to them, Did I not forbid you from that tree? And did I not warn you that Satan is your open enemy?
قالا ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين.
Both cried out, Our Lord, we have wronged ourselves. If you do not forgive us and do not have mercy on us, we shall surely be among the losers.
قال اهبطوا بعضكم لبعض عدو ولكم في الأرض مستقر ومتاع إلى حين.
Allah said, Go down, you are enemies one of the other. For you there's dwelling and provision on the earth for a while.
قال فيها تحيون وفيها تموتون ومنها تخرجون.
He continued, You shall live there, and there shall you die, and from it you shall be raised to life.
يا بني آدم قد أنزلنا عليكم لباسا يواري سوآتكم وريشا ولباس التقوى ذلك خير ذلك من آيات الله لعلهم يذكرون.
O children of Adam, indeed, we have sent down to you a garment which covers your shame and provides protection and adornment. But the finest of all is the garment of piety. That is one of the signs of Allah, so that they may take heed.
يا بني آدم لا يفتننكم الشيطان كما أخرج أبويكم من الجنة ينزع عنهما لباسهما ليريهما سوآتهما إنه يراكم هو وقبيله من حيث لا ترونهم إنا جعلنا الشياطين أولياء للذين لا يؤمنون.
Children of Adam, let not Satan deceive you in the manner he deceived your parents out of paradise, pulling off from them their clothing to reveal to them their shame. He and his host surely see you from whence you do not see them. We've made Satans the guardians of those who do not believe.
وإذا فعلوا فاحشة قالوا وجدنا عليها آباءنا والله أمرنا بها قل إن الله لا يأمر بالفحشاء أتقولون على الله ما لا تعلمون.
And when such people commit an indecent act, they say, We found our fathers doing that, and Allah has enjoined it on us. Say, Surely Allah never enjoins any indecency. Do you say things regarding Allah that you do not know?
قل أمر ربي بالقسط وأقيموا وجوهكم عند كل مسجد وادعوه مخلصين له الدين كما بدأكم تعودون.
Say to them, O Muhammad, My Lord enjoins justice, and that you set your faces aright at the time of every prayer, and that you call upon Him exclusively, dedicating your faith to Him. You shall return to Him as you were created.
فريقا هدى وفريقا حق عليهم الضلالة إنهم اتخذوا الشياطين أولياء من دون الله ويحسبون أنهم مهتدون.
A party he has guided to the right way, and for another party straying is justly its due, for they have taken Satans rather than Allah as their guardians, for they think that they are rightly guided.
يا بني آدم خذوا زينتكم عند كل مسجد وكلوا واشربوا ولا تسرفوا إنه لا يحب المسرفين.
Children of Adam, take your adornment at every time of prayer, and eat and drink without going to excesses, for Allah does not like those who go to excess.
قل من حرم زينة الله التي أخرج لعباده والطيبات من الرزق قل هي للذين آمنوا في الحياة الدنيا خالصة يوم القيامة كذلك نفصل الآيات لقوم يعلمون.
Say, O Muhammad, who has forbidden the adornment which Allah has brought forth for His creatures, or the good things from among the means of sustenance? Say, these are for the enjoyment of the believers in this world, and shall be exclusively theirs on the day of resurrection. Thus do we clearly expound our revelations for those who have knowledge.
قل إنما حرم ربي الفواحش ما ظهر منها وما بطن والإثم والبغي بغير الحق وأن تشركوا بالله ما لم ينزل به سلطانا وأن تقولوا على الله ما لا تعلمون.
Tell them, O Muhammad, my Lord has only forbidden indecent acts, whether overt or hidden, all manner of sin, wrongful transgression, and He has forbidden that you associate with Allah in His divinity, that for which He has sent down no sanction, and that you ascribe to Allah things of which you have no sure knowledge that they are from Him.
ولكل أمة أجل فإذا جاء أجلهم لا يستأخرون ساعة ولا يستقدمون.
For every community there's an appointed term, and when its term arrives they cannot delay it by a moment, nor can they hasten it.
يا بني آدم إما يأتينكم رسل منكم يقصون عليكم آياتي فمن اتقى وأصلح فلا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون.
Children of Adam, if messengers come to you from amongst yourselves, rehearsing to you my signs, then those who shun disobedience and mend their ways shall have nothing to fear, nor shall they grieve.
والذين كذبوا بآياتنا واستكبروا عنها أولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
And those who reject our revelations as false and arrogantly turn away from them, they shall be the inmates of hell, and there they shall abide.
فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو كذب بآياته أولئك ينالهم نصيبهم من الكتاب حتى إذا جاءتهم رسلنا يتوفونهم قالوا أين ما كنتم تدعون من دون الله قالوا ضلوا عنا وشهدوا على أنفسهم أنهم كانوا كافرين.
Who is more unjust than he who invents a falsehood ascribing it to Allah, or who rejects his revelation as false? Their full portion of God's decree shall reach them until our deputed angels come to them to take charge of their souls and say, "Where are the deities now, those whom you invoked besides Allah?" They will say, "They're all gone away from us." And they shall bear witness against themselves that they were unbelievers.
قال ادخلوا في قد خلت من قبلكم من الجن والإنس في النار كلما دخلت أمة لعنت أختها حتى إذا اداركوا فيها جميعا قالت أخراهم لأولاهم ربنا هؤلاء أضلونا فآتهم عذابا ضعفا من النار قال لكل ضعف ولكن لا تعلمون.
Allah will say, "Enter the fire of hell and join the groups of jinn and humans that have gone before you. As a group enters hell, it will curse the one that went before it. And when all are gathered there, the last of them shall say of the first, 'Our Lord, these are the ones who led us astray. Let their torment be doubled in hell fire.' He will answer, 'Each will have a doubled torment, although you do not know.'"
وقالت أولاهم لأخراهم فما كان لكم علينا من فضل فذوقوا العذاب بما كنتم تكسبون.
Then the preceding ones will say to the succeeding ones, "You were in no way superior to us. Taste then this torment for your deeds."
إن الذين كذبوا بآياتنا واستكبروا عنها لا تفتح لهم أبواب السماء ولا يدخلون الجنة حتى يلج الجمل في سم الخياط وكذلك نجزي المجرمين.
Surely the gates of heaven shall not be opened for those who reject our signs as false and turn away from them in arrogance, nor shall they enter paradise until a camel passes through the eye of a needle. Thus do we reward the guilty ones.